How to use foods to reduce cellulite. Cellulite is characterized by the orange peel bumpy look manifestation of fat sediments beneath your skin. It commonly appears in the region of the body like the buttocks going up to the hips or even down to the thighs. It is instigated by the collapse of collagen, which is very important to the flexibility of the skin. Majority of women build up cellulite once they reach maturity. The situation is considered hereditary that have an effect on approximately 90% to 95% of females whose age are above 30. It is also a fact that women are said to be more susceptible to acquire cellulite when compared to men. Each slender woman bears cellulite as well, which denotes that shaking off weight may certainly not be a process to eliminate cellulite itself. Consuming specific foods might assist lessen the manifestation of cellulite sooner or later together with the accomplishment of a workout regimen. Specifically, here are some foods to reduce cellulite. You must consume a nutritional regimen consisting of fruits and vegetables as well as fiber-rich foods to lessen the manifestation of cellulite. Eating different fruits and vegetables in various colors is considered great because these have what they call antioxidants, agents to fight toxins. The most excellent kinds of antioxidants are those that belong to the berry family. You must as well eat fruits and vegetables that contain lecithin that put off the collapse of collagen within the skin. Examples are oranges, grapefruit, tomatoes, grapefruit, spinach, apples, fennel, carrots, cauliflower and bell peppers. You should also consume foods that can help fight fluid preservation like asparagus, cucumber, celery and watermelon since they play an important role in the manifestation of cellulite. Onion is also considered as an excellent cellulite buster because of its capability to release water preservation from the skin cells.